Hey everyone, welcome to the vlog, and this is day one of our spring break trip. I hope you guys enjoy this. I had to make an intro right now because I didn't make one when we started the trip. But I'm going to be making a video for every single day. So I hope you guys enjoy, and here's a little montage of our traveling through states to get here. Hey guys, we're in Florida now.
And I'm so excited.
We can give you a little view. Okay, so you guys can see over there.
There's little kids
It's the beach. Guys, I'm gonna get so tan.
Same. We're all gonna get tan.
So we're gonna be vlogging today. It's day one. Here's a fit check. Got linen pants and then this new top. Okay guys, so we're gonna be going to the beach, so let's do a quick transition. Guys, I'm gonna get so tan.
Same.
I don't know how many people are actually gonna watch all the way to the end of this video, but if you did, thank you, and make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Part 2 is coming soon, so let me know in the comments what you guys want to see and other kinds of stuff. Sorry for not having that much content. It was just because I kind of forgot. Rose. Okay, well anyways guys, part 2 is coming soon. Bye.